So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC after restarting. Now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general you need to type -dx11, and after that try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolution helps to fix the issue. Next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your drivers. After updating, launch the game and see if this helps. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I provided in the description and update your graphics card, and after that check if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, launch Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, then click on browse, and this will take you to the game folder. Here select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and after that click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. So after this, launch the game and check if it helps, or simply click on run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it fixes the issue. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. From here you need to select the game that has been listed. If not listed, then click on allow another app, then go to the browse section, and from here you need to select your game application and add it to the list over here. After adding it, select your game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and click on OK. After this, launch the game and check if it helps. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. This will be enabled by default. Simply click on it and it will be disabled. After this, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and after that click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now launch the game and see if the game is launching or not, or you can play it or not. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search bar, search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use or consuming high resources. So after checking them, select it, right click on it, click on end task, and this will close the app from running in the background, and after that try to play the game and see if it is launching or not. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, click on downloads and then click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear the download cache of Steam, and after that launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link that I have given in the description, open it, go below, and from here you need to simply download the Visual C++ files on your PC. After downloading, install it and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications like MSI, Afterburner, Nvidia Shadowplay or any other, then you should disable it, as this can interrupt while playing the game. So it's better to disable all those third-party overlay applications, and after that launch the game and check if it helps. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to search for check for updates, and after that here you need to click on check for updates option. If there is any update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings, and here you need to add your game to the list. After adding it, now click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After selecting it, launch the game and see if it helps. If nothing works, then it's time to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and after that click on uninstall option again. So after uninstalling the game, restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and then reinstall the game once again, and then try to launch the game and see if you can play it without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.